Hi everyone, I'm Maureen McGrath, registered nurse and sexual health educator with a special interest in female sexuality. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about sex, health, and relationships with honesty and evidence-based education. Today's video is all about how to use your Viva Milana vibrator safely, effectively, and pleasurably. The Viva Milana is a pocket-sized powerhouse that is a handheld clitoral stimulator that utilizes the latest air pulse technology for clitoral stimulation, which is important for most women to experience orgasm. We're also going to go over some essential vulvar anatomy, the clitoris, the vulva, the urethra, and yes, the vagina, so that you can better understand what each part does and how to unlock your full pleasure potential. Let's dive in. I know you're excited about your new gift to yourself, but before you dive in, there's one very important thing you need to do first. You need to fully charge your Viva Milana. When you first take it out of the box, it might have a bit of a charge, but don't rely on it. A full charge ensures the toy performs at its best and protects battery health over the long term. So here's how to charge it. Always use the USB charging cable that comes with your Viva Milana. Insert or apply the magnetic end of the charger onto the charging port on the toy. It should click into place. Plug the USB end into a computer or wall adapter. You'll see a small light indicating that the toy is charging. It takes approximately 2 hours for a full charge. Once charged, the Viva Milana will give you approximately 60 to 90 minutes of pleasure. That, of course, depends on the intensity level that you use. And yes, I know, many women don't read maps or instructions, but charging, that's one step that you don't want to skip. Now that your Viva Milana is powered up and ready to blow your mind, let's talk about how it works. The Viva Milana is a clitoral stimulation device made from non-toxic silicone, which is body safe and silky smooth. The air pulse technology provides gentle, rhythmic suction to your clitoris. To turn your Viva Milana on, press and hold the middle power button at the back for 3 seconds. The top button is to start the sonic suction technology. The bottom button provides pulsating action, just to spice things up a little bit. Press the top button to increase the intensity and cycle through the different modes at the top and bottom to find out what works for you. There's lots of options. And now for a little anatomy lesson. I'd like to introduce you to Queen V, my vulva puppet. She's Queen V for a reason, because when it comes to pleasure, the clitoris absolutely reigns supreme. Let's break it down for you. The clitoris is the primary female pleasure center located beneath the clitoral hood. It contains over 8,000 nerve endings, more than any other part of the human body, and the majority of its structure extends internally. Most women require clitoral stimulation to achieve orgasm. This is one of the most essential aspects of sexual health education that I emphasize in my clinical practice. The vulva includes everything that is external: the labia, the clitoris, the vaginal opening, and the urethra. The urethra is where you urinate or void. Although it may be sensitive, it is not involved in sex. And the vagina is the internal canal. The opening is called the introitus. This can be stimulated by using a wand or an internal vibrator. To use your Viva Milana, add a small amount of lube to the suction cup and place it over your clitoris like that or like this. The device should create a seal without pressure or discomfort. The suction pulses mimic oral stimulation, enhancing arousal and increasing sensitivity. You may feel a rhythmic sensation that intensifies blood flow and arousal. A few things to remember. Use only water-based lubricants to avoid damaging the silicone material. Do not submerge your Viva Milana in water. And clean between uses with Viva's Toy Clean Spray. Some women may experience immediate orgasm, while others may need time to explore and get comfortable. These devices are meant to encourage exploration and enhancement for you. You can use the Viva Milana solo to understand your own arousal patterns, or you can use with a partner to enhance intimacy or therapeutically for conditions like primary anorgasmia, low libido, or after menopause, when orgasms may slow down or downright disappear. You might want to watch my video on vaginal health after menopause. Whatever your reason for using the Viva Milana, the Milana is here to help you feel more connected to your body, your pleasure, and your power. Just remember, charge it fully before first use. Clean it before and after use with Viva's Toy Clean Spray. And afterward, you can store it in this beautiful silky pink bag that comes with every Viva toy. Remember, everybody is different. Everybody is beautiful, and so are you, and you deserve pleasure. Some women may experience immediate orgasm, while others may need time to explore and get comfortable. These devices are meant to encourage exploration and enhancement. You can use your Viva Milana solo to understand your own arousal patterns, or you can use it with a partner to enhance intimacy, or therapeutically for conditions like primary anorgasmia, low libido, or after menopause when orgasms may slow down or downright disappear. Menopause doesn't mean the end of your sex life. You might want to watch my video on vaginal health after menopause. Regardless, whatever your reason, the Viva Milana is here to help you feel more connected to your body, your pleasure, and your power. Just remember, charge your Viva Milana before first use. Clean it before and after use with Viva's Toy Clean Spray. And most importantly, have fun and unleash your inner goddess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for tuning in. The pleasure has been mine, and it's soon to be yours. To order your Viva Milana, go to savvy-viva.com. And now for a limited time, if you use the code MM20 at checkout, you can get a special pricing for your Viva Milana. I'm Maureen McGrath, registered nurse and sexual health educator. To learn more, go to my website, maureenmcgrath.com, or tune into my podcast, Nurse Maureen's Health Show, available on Spotify, iTunes, or wherever you listen to your favorite podcasts. If this video was helpful, feel free to share it with a friend. Please give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and drop your questions or experiences below. I always love hearing from you. So, until next time, stay curious, stay empowered, and never forget, your pleasure is your power. Thanks again, ladies.